Hey, traders, wait, look at this. Oh man, this is wild. Terra Classic is up nearly 60% this week. Can you believe that? It's sitting around $0.000069 right now, and the 24-hour volume just spiked, like out of nowhere. Like, whoa, what is happening? So here's the big question, and I mean big. Is this the start of the next bullish momentum? Or is this, just one of those classic traps before everything pulls back and you're like, oh no, why did I trust it? We broke everything down, the support levels, the resistance zones, the possible targets, all of it. It's in our latest post and it's live right now, right there on Patreon. I mean, it's there. You can literally go look at it and hey, listen, the tester plan is just $10. Like, seriously, it's such a simple little way to see if it actually fits your trading style. It's like trying on a hat, a very financial hat. Link in the description, just click it. And of course, do your own research. Seriously, always DYOR. This is not financial advice. Just had to say it.